Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this TatiBeauty palette. This is her volume 1 palette. I'm so in love with this palette. You guys have no idea. But I'm first going in with, I believe this is Soothe? Smooth? Soothe? Smooth? I'm pretty sure it's Smooth. Soothe. I was right. I'm going in with this shade, and this is a big fluffy brush from Jaclyn Hill in the Morphe collab with them. It's just a big old fluffy brush, and I'm just putting this all over my crease, building it up. I go in, build it up, blend. You guys know the drill. We're not even going to go there. And then I'm going in with Ritual, I believe. Yes, Ritual. And I'm going in with this darker color. And this is another brush from the Jaclyn Hill collection. Yes, it's my favorite. I love every brush that comes in her collection. And I just go in and blend it out, add it, blend it out, add it, blend it out. And then I'm going in with Memory, yes, which is the black shade. And I'm going to pack that in. So I'm going in with the lightest, medium, and then darkest. So I'm getting that nice gradient effect. And then I'm going back in with Soothe, and I'm going in and just kind of like building up the colors where I want it, blending it out where I want it, all of that good stuff. These voiceovers are hard to do, you guys, I promise. This is Aurora, and this is one of the, I believe this is the Satins. No, Sequins, I'm sorry. I'm going in with the Sequin, and I'm putting that all over my lid there. And then I'm going in with Soothe, and this is the Sequin as well. It has just a hint of shimmer. Not a lot, as you guys can see on the other eye there. It's not a lot of shimmer. It's just enough to make it like super pretty. Then I'm going in with the black, and I'm blending over that little area. And then we're going in with the Aurora Glitter, and I'm doing this on a fluffy brush. So as you can see, I'm not getting a crap ton of glitter. It's just barely putting enough glitter on there to make it a little bit more sparkly, if you will. Then I'm going in with NYX Matte Liquid Liner in Matte Black Liquid Liner, yeah, from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm just doing a simple little line as if I'm going to do a wing liner. So I'm treating this just like I'm going to do a wing liner. And then once I get out there, I don't actually wing it out. I'm actually going to pack black eyeshadow. This is one of my favorite tricks to do because I don't personally like doing wings on my eyes. I mean, if I'm being honest, I just don't like doing them in general. So I like to pretend like I'm going to do it, and then like I'm doing here, add black eyeshadow right on top of that back there. And it makes it look like I have wings on, but it's like blended. Makes sense? Maybe? Yeah. Anyhow, I'm taking Hula by Benefit and an M405 brush from MORPHE. And we're just going to buff this all over our cheekbones, our forehead, our jawline. We're just going to bronze up our face with this. I had to leave this part stuff like this in here so that way my videos aren't like 2 minutes long. Like I need my videos to be longer, so I just went ahead and added, like left this in just because, I mean, you guys like the content and I needed something to make this video a little bit longer. I have no idea what highlighter this is. I don't want to lie to you, but if I tried to guess, I would end up lying to you. So I don't want to lie to you. It's a highlighter. And then I'm going back in with Memory, and it's the black matte, and I'm just putting this on our lower lash line. This is an M506 brush from Morphe. You know the drill. That is hands down my favorite brush from Morphe. If there's one brush I would need, I own like 7 of these, the M506 brush from Morphe. Now I'm going in with Ritual, which is the dark brown, blending out that black, and then I'll go in with the Soothe, blend that out. Such like this little part is so quick. Like it's super simple. This is an M433, which is one of my favorite brushes from Morphe as well, hands down. And I'm just kind of just going back and forth with those colors, making sure I have it all blended. This is After Hours from Milani Cosmetics, putting that in my tight line and waterline. That's so creepy. Now I didn't show this, but this is Aurora Metallic, and I'm putting that just in my inner corner. And then this is Cashmere from Milani Cosmetics. That is the end of this video. I am done, you guys. So I hope you guys have a great day. I love your faces. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.